1. Silicone oil bottle with basting brush. Best for healthy cooking. 2. Kitchen sink faucet storage rack. Keep your sink organized. 3. Vegetable peeler with container. No more mess on the floor. 5. Vegetable slicing guard and holder. Safe slicing every time. 4. Spinning fruit and vegetable washing. Fast and easy cleaning. 6. Automatic/manual sunflower seed opener. Snacking made easy. Check the description for all product links. 7. Multifunctional nut and peanut crusher. Perfect for garnishing.